let's go treasure hunting. All right, what's this piece? I don't know what that is. It's missing a piece of wood right there, but this is a good sign. I just walked in and it looks like there's bins of stuff, not just clothing. Artwork. I might need 2 hands to dig through some of this. They are packed. Shoes. What is this? Oh, it's for a garden hose. It's a gun rack right here. Plastic. What is this? It's all tangled up. Dream big, little one. It's cut with metal. So these bins of stuff, that means they're not even looking through it. They're just throwing the donations in here. And whenever that happens, I usually find some good stuff. This is a really nice lampshade. Do I need it? No, I don't need it, but maybe one day I'll need it. Should I get it? What is this piece over here? It's fall decor, but I really like it. I like the art. I love the leaves. I would probably do something different here. I think I'm gonna get this and keep this in my stash for next fall, and then we can do a little DIY. Oh, it's actually from the Dollar Tree. I mean the Dollar General. I love this umbrella. This is giving fall vibes as well. Beautiful colors. I like to use umbrellas in my decor. You can hang them on a hook. You can put them in an umbrella stand. So I think I'm gonna be getting this one, and it looks usable. Doesn't look broken at all. Oh, they're about to take these bins away, but I did find this. I think that's for markers. So I'm gonna get this for Ren, and she could put her markers in it. There they go. Luckily, I dug through those bins before they took them away. Oh, I found something else too. Look at this belt. Beautiful leather color, beautiful brass buckle. It has some patina. You're not gonna be able to see it though when I put the belt on, but I got this for me, which was really pretty, and it actually fits me. Look at the cuteness I just found in this bin. This bag is gorgeous. Even the inside is pretty. The straps are a little bit stained, but hopefully I can throw it in the washer and get all that out. Oh my gosh, love that. And look at this pillow right here. Long, skinny pillow with some ghosts, and it says spooky. So I'm gonna get these 2 pieces. Ooh, this is pretty. That's Vera Bradley. I like this floral pattern. My girls don't need any more stuff, and I'd rather something like this for myself. These are some nice boots. These are cute. What size? 8.5. Wait, these are my size. Is there another one? Oh, there is. What y'all think? I like these. What's the brand? Oh, they're from Target. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Do y'all see what I see? How are these sitting here? Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. This is exciting, y'all. So 3 of these Santa mugs. I need these 2. Look how cute. Made in Japan. Let me see if there's any markings. I will fight somebody if they come near me right now. This is also marked Japan. And then look. Stop. Oh my gosh. I don't like that one. Is this a Lazy Susan? I need one of those. There's another one. There's more. There's more. Okay, let me get these in my cart. Y'all, this is exciting. This is so exciting. 4 of them. Please be more. Please be more. This is Lazy Susan, I think. I need one of these. All right, get that. Get that. Y'all, there's 2 more. There's 2 more. Stop it. Okay, go in there. I don't know why I'm whispering. Try not to scream in y'all ear. These are cute. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel like y'all gonna yell at me if I don't get these. Look at the cute little mushroom on the back. That's adorable. And there's 3 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those as well. All right, we might be here for a while because they just brought out a new bin, and look at all the good stuff that was in there. Look at this old book. so pretty. Love this. And then these are brand new. I think they're soap holders, and there's 3 of them. This, I think it's ribbon, but it says Dear Santa, and it's like a Christmas list. How precious is that? Look how good it looks with this black book. A vintage little planter, mama duck and baby duck, adorable. And I think this might be a coaster or something, maybe a candle holder, but dried floral and brass. Yes, that is absolutely going in my cart. Look, the little beanie baby with the soccer on him. Waylon needs this piece. And I found something for Ren. Y'all, look at these. Look at these overalls. They are precious and colorful, just like Ren. She's gonna love them. All right, this bin is full of stuff. Let's see what's in here. They also rolled out a new bin. I only found I found 2 things. A piano roll. Hello, need you. And look at this beautiful brass horse. This is exciting because, y'all, it's been a while since I've had a good day like this at the Goodwill Bins. Some older artwork. I really like the mat in the frame, though. This one doesn't have glass. This one still has the glass on it. That would actually be really pretty in my new house. I could just put a different picture, but like I said, I love the mat. I love the frame. What's that? I don't know what this black stuff is. This one doesn't have glass. Oh. And I haven't moved in yet. I'll just wait. I come across stuff all the time, so I'm sure I'll come across some more frames that I like. Alright, this bin does not look like anything that I'm interested in. This is a bunch of purses and bags right here. Some pillows. My friend Lee texted me to ask me if the bins was good, and I sent her a picture of my cart, so she immediately drove over here. She's been here for a while. I guess I got all the good stuff. This is the only thing in her cart so far, so I need to try to help her fill up her cart as well. We have searched the entire bin, so now we're just hanging out waiting for them to bring out some new stuff. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this. Look at this picture frame, how pretty. I love the beadboard. Of course, I put a different picture in here, but this one's smaller, so even though I haven't moved yet, I think it's okay to buy this one. Days like this is what has me, and probably y'all, addicted to the Goodwill Bins. I mean, y'all have seen my videos. A lot of days are misses, but then I have amazing days like this that just wants me to spend all day, every day at the Goodwill Bins. But they're not really changing them out. They just brought out some new bins finally after a long time, and they weren't good. So I think I'm gonna head out.